task 13.7 is to log in as invited user. Okay, just now you already invite apa pun boleh as a payroll user, and you already invite Cindy Lauder as the employee user. So now let's log in into both company, okay, and find out the difference of being a payroll user and employee user. So now let's log in into the payroll user. The payroll user, so I log out first. The payroll user is, I'm using the email of Najaa at AutoCount.com. So this is the email just now. So I just go to the login. Okay, and this is the company that the subscriber invite me just now. So the company that the subscriber invite me as a payroll user, when I log in, you can see, okay, I can see all the payroll work, reports, and the human resource. Okay, because I'm the payroll user, so I can do all the payroll work, and also for the human resource for leave. Okay, but so this ESS we are going to learn later on in the next chapter. So this is for the payroll user. How about if I go to the employee user? So for example, Najaa Iliani is the employee user just now, which is Cindy Lauder. So when I log in into Cindy Lauder, okay, this is the company that shared with me, invited me just now as an employee. So when I go into the employee user, okay, I can only see ESS, which is employee self-service. Employee self-service means I will be able to request leave, to request claim. Okay, and I can only see my calendar. So that is actually the difference between the payroll user and employee user. Okay, so now let's go back to the subscriber. Okay, subscriber email. So this is the subscriber email. Okay. Alright, now this is the company. Task 13.8 is to change user. Okay, if let's say you want to change a user, okay, you can go to the payroll and then employee. Okay, and then you can go to the employee maintenance. Go back to the Cindy Lauder and change the email address if you wish to do so. But if the email address is still remain the same, you don't have to do that. Okay, that is for the task 13.8. 13.9, task 13.9 is to change the user type. Okay, there's a note there. User type can only be modified by the subscriber at the subscription portal. So at the subscription portal here, for example, I want to change the user type for Cindy Lauder. So I go to the user maintenance. Okay, this is the Cindy Lauder. This one. So when I want to change, I just click edit and I change the user type. So if you want to change the user type, you can only change in the subscription portal. You cannot change in the employee maintenance just now. Cannot. Okay, this is the only place that you can change. So if let's say you want to change to the payroll user, you can just click on the payroll user and save. Okay, however, we still need to remain Cindy Lauder as an employee, because in the next task, okay, we are going to do a transaction of leave for this employee user. Okay, so you just click on save. Okay, so that's how you change the user type. Okay, and the last task for the chapter 13 is 13.10, which is approval setting. So now we go back to the companies. Okay, and then to do approval setting, you have to go to the tools. Okay, and then you have to go to the user setting, and then there is an approval setting. So this approval setting, you have two, which is claim approval and then leave approval. Okay, so you can just go to edit. So leave approval here. Okay, you can just edit, and then the title you change to OPE leave. OPE leave. Okay, OPE leave, and approval for leave. Okay, range from day 0 to 365. So this one, you can choose whether the approval is a flat approval or sequential approval. Sequential approval means if let's say the highest not approved, then it will go to the second person that you set. If flat means this is the only person that need to give approval for your leave. Okay, that's the meaning. So the approval departments is OPE, okay, ORD, so ORD and purchasing. So by default, I untick the default department. Okay, so who going to approve this? The email of apa pun boleh, which is Najaa at AutoCountSoft.com just now. So apa pun boleh is the only person that can approve if let's say employee request for the leave. Okay, so this one I just click save. Now you go for the claim approval. It's the same thing, so you change to OPE claim. Okay, OPE claim, and then 0 to 10,000. So you change to 10,000. So meaning apa pun boleh can approve amount from 0 up to 10,000 only. Okay, so it's the same thing, operation, ordering, order processing and purchasing. So this department only. So you change the email to apa pun boleh email. Okay, so that's how you do the approval setting. After you done, you can just click on the save button and save the approval group.